Today I'll be discussing how a proper life insurance planning can help you to offset all the capital gain tax liability towards your beneficiary. What is capital gain? A capital gain is an increase in the price from the cost to the fair market value. It's the difference, and this difference can be a problem for you. Now we all think it's a benefit, it's an advantage, it's a profit when the asset increases in the value. But here's the problem. The problem is capital gain is taxable. What happens if your beneficiary take over? Well, when you pass on all those assets, there are tax consequences with that. But before we go there, let me ask you how it will affect your beneficiary or children. Do you have a plan? Have you ever thought of that? Have you ever thought how your estate is transferred to your family and what will be the tax consequences? Are you creating a big net worth for your children, or are you creating a big tax liability problem for your children? Let me discuss a scenario where recently I have done insurance planning for one of my clients. He have acquired in over the years more than 10 properties and some investments. And when we sit down and we have done a calculation, he has more than 2 million tax liability on his estate, which can grow more. We have done a proper life insurance planning to cover those tax liability. Otherwise, his children have to pay for those taxes, where they have to either use their saving or dissolve or sell or disposition of certain assets from the state, which is a big loss to the state. A proper life insurance planning helped him. I always believe that only tax-free life insurance is a viable solution to save the estate and give all those capital gain taxes with the life insurance benefit. Remember, smart decisions are made by choosing between what you want now and what you want in future. We all want a really good, bright future for our children with no tax liability attached, and only a tax-free life insurance can provide that.